Dave, you were at the Pharma CI conference not that long ago in Europe, and one of the observations that you had when you came back was the challenge that some life sciences companies are having at hiring new talent and new skill sets into their competitive intelligence programs. You want to elaborate on that a bit more?
Sure, that's something that we're well versed in. We look quite broadly to bring talent into Fuld as part of our CI team. We look for talent in many areas. It could be straight out of academia, usually, typically with higher education degrees, with a broad variety of bench research, but also there is much talent out there from personnel who've worked in either pharmaceutical or biotech companies, and also in other types of third-party vendors working either in market research or Salesforce benchmarking and other traditional activities such as that. By bringing in talent from a broad spectrum of industries and also at different stages of their development, we have quite a vigorous team that works well together and feeds off each other, both their experience, knowledge, and enthusiasm. And this helps the team grow very well, share their knowledge and their talents and their expertise, which in the end serves not only Fuld as a whole, but any client that any of our team members interacts with.
Yep. And for a life sciences company, I mean, clearly, we try to mimic the type of talent and skill sets they need in their CI organizations. But what's the secret of success, for lack of a better term, for a life sciences company to retain and develop that talent?
I think it's to constantly challenge the personnel, not so they don't do the same job over and over again, but make sure that they're involved in new initiatives, answering tough questions, basically take them out of their comfort zone. The more that they're challenged, the more excited they are, and also the more willing they are typically to act as mentors to others and transfer this knowledge, and in turn work in cross-functional teams. That allows them to grow in many ways, and in fact we have cross-functional teams here at Fuld. We have the life sciences team, but we also have the other half of Fuld, which is diversified, working on very different industries, sometimes tackling very similar questions or other questions. We rely on them quite often to deal with supply side issues and manufacturing issues, and they learn quite a bit from us about the pharmaceutical industry and the certain regulatory issues that we deal with. So having that type of cross-pollination, working with very talented people from the other side as well, is one of the reasons why we're able to recruit talented people for Fuld.
Yep, and I think that need to be multidisciplinary, I think, is certainly important for our firm, but for our clients as well.
That's true.